What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Now, it's a bit different. I'm hungry and I wanna eat ice cream, but it's winter, and in winter, most of the ice cream factories, ice cream brands, the bigger ones, I don't know why, they don't offer all the flavors that they offer in summer. That's really a bit of a bummer for me because I don't eat ice cream in summer. I eat ice cream in winter. And I prefer eating something unique. Like today I have this dragon fruit and banana. I wanna eat dragon fruit and banana mixed flavored ice cream. I have also prepared milk and some sugar. But how can we make ice cream from these sitting in this studio? Tan-tan-tan! Here comes Cocinare Krush. This is a portable ice cream maker and this is truly wireless. This one doesn't come with an AC port, this one doesn't need external power, and we can carry this Cocinare Krush anywhere along with us. Okay, this is actually the bowl of the Cocinare Krush where we put the ingredients and mix it, and actually there is another part of Cocinare Krush, but that comes later after we add the ingredients. Well, first put the ingredients and then we will talk about the other parts of this Cocinare Krush. Actually, I haven't buy this one. I have seen that many other people are testing ice creams in desert, in the water, on a boat and in their living room. So I thought, why don't I try? This is actually a prototype and I'm thankful to Cocinare Krush that they have sent me this prototype. This prototype is working perfectly well. That means I cannot even imagine how fine, how perfect and nice it will be when this brand Cosinear will prepare the final product for the end users. Well, I'm really pretty hungry. I wanna eat ice cream. Give me a minute. I'll be back within a moment after blending these fruits with banana milk. Well, as promised, I'm back within a moment and yeah, I have my fruit mix blended and we are gonna make ice cream from this. We are gonna mix ice cream of dragon fruit and banana together. Well, here you can see all the parts of Cocinare Krush. This one comes with 4 different parts. The first part is actually the base, the bowl. This one is actually a double insulated food grade stainless steel bowl. And there is a pretty nice plastic cover. On top of that, here comes the window where we can check the progress of the ice cream making, and yeah, this one sits on top of the bowl. And on top of that, here comes the machine. This one actually contains the battery and the motor. We connect the dasher with this motor and yeah, this dasher actually does the job. We also get a cover for the bowl. After we have made our ice cream, we can cover this bowl with the cover and take our ice cream anywhere with us. Well, without wasting any more time, let's start making our ice cream. Well, on top you will notice that there is a USB-C port. This USB-C port is actually a charging port. This Cocinare Krush gets recharged through this USB-C port and there is a on-off button. Inside the motor there are 2 lights which will actually indicate whether the ice cream is already done or not. Let's start. Well, it actually takes around 20 minutes to prepare the ice cream. We will let it do its work, and in the meantime, we will talk about other things about this brand Cosinear and this product Cocinare Krush. Well, at the beginning, I was a bit worried that this Cocinare Krush will make a bit of a sound when it will make ice cream, but after using this for a few times, I am totally satisfied. This one doesn't make too much sound. It's truly almost silent. Okay, this Cocinare Krush comes in a very good travel bag. Inside the travel bag, we will get the battery and the motor, the middle part with the window, a freezer bowl, and a freezer bowl top lid. That's all. Very easy to carry around and it's definitely super light. Well, Cocinare Krush has already made my ice cream. Dragon fruit and banana mixed ice cream. Wow, I'm truly excited. It has made my ice cream. Cool. Well, I have taken out half of the ice cream from this freezer bowl, and actually this freezer bowl comes with a freezer bowl lid. And I'm gonna cover this freezer bowl with this freezer bowl lid, and I'm gonna take out this freezer bowl along with me. This freezer bowl will actually keep this ice cream at least 1 hour intact. I mean, this will not become milkshake. At least for 1 hour. Yeah, after 1 hour it will start melting down and maybe will start becoming milkshake. But for 1 hour I have my ice cream with me. I can go anywhere with this freezer bowl and enjoy my ice cream. Well, let's put this aside. Here is my dragon fruit banana mixed ice cream. I have also arranged some cashew nuts. Let's enjoy the ice cream. It's time to enjoy the ice cream. I've been enjoying this ice cream for a while now, for almost 5 days now. Oh yeah, this Cocinare Krush actually takes 150 minutes to get fully charged. Around 150 minutes to get fully charged. And when it's fully charged, we can make ice cream for 15 times. That's really crazy cool. I'm not gonna share with you. If you wanna have your own ice cream, you have to get Cocinare Krush. Well, as I mentioned earlier, Cosinear, this brand, they have their own application which provides nutrition information and recipes. For example, I prefer low-fat ice cream with low sugar, which comes with less than 100 calories. When I submit this information, this Cosinear application, it provides me with a lot of different options like spinach and seaweed smoothie, mango salsa green smoothie, pear green smoothie, and many others. Well, based on my food habit and personal preference, I'm gonna go with lemon berry smoothie. This one is gonna add 90 calories and 0.7 gram of protein, 22 carbs, 13.7 gram of sugar, 0.9 grams of fat, 4.6 grams of fiber. Inside the application, we also get a list of ingredients and all the directions like step 1, step 2, if there is any step 2. Actually, all the steps are pretty easy, and if you follow the steps and include all the ingredients as mentioned, you will always get something tasty and healthy. That's the most important part. Personally, I like to be creative, like dragon fruit and banana mixed ice cream. And yeah, I have tried a lot other different ice creams like coconut milk mango ice cream and many other things that actually we cannot buy in a store. This Cocinare Krush is portable and makes us creative, gives us have a taste of things that we couldn't even buy. Some people wouldn't even dare to imagine about. I'm not gonna talk a lot because my ice cream is becoming milkshake. I have already finished half and I'm gonna finish the other half after this video. Who knows, maybe tonight I'm gonna make another flavor. What's your flavor for your Cocinare Krush? Are you gonna get one? As usual, I have left a link of this Cocinare Krush in the description box below. But yeah, as I always do, I'm not gonna provide any affiliate link to my viewers and subscribers because I'm not gonna take any advantage of my subscribers and viewers. I'm not gonna get any incentive. So yeah, if you wanna buy this Cocinare Krush portable ice cream maker, you can buy from anywhere. If you wanna back this project, then you can do this without any hesitation because I'm in love with this Cocinare Krush portable ice cream maker. I actually carry this to many places that I go, and yeah, many of my friends have already asked me where did I get this one. So I thought I should share the information with my regular viewers and subscribers. That's why I have spent my precious time and made this video. That's all about this Cocinare Krush. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you like ice creams, then don't forget to go ahead and check the link given in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because in this channel, I'm always gonna share honest opinions. Well, I have gained fat by eating a lot of ice cream. I was like 62 kilograms a few days ago, now I'm 65 kilograms. This Cocinare Krush is really so much addictive.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time.